In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way of taking an ugly, rusty wrench and turning it into one that's usable that you can keep with your other tools. You can see here how it's all rusted up at the joint, and it's getting pretty hard to use like this, and it leaves a little red mark on everything. I didn't have a lot of vinegar on hand, so I did this by just wrapping it lightly with soaked paper towels around it. I used some trash plastic wrap in an old container to keep the vinegar from evaporating. After leaving it out for the night to keep the smell out of the house, it actually rained just a little while ago, and that rinsed it off for me. You could see all the rusty water leaking out of it. Now it still looks rusty, but a lot of that rust is much looser now. So I'm using just a little bit of salt to help get rid of some more of that rust with an old toothbrush. You can begin to see that it's getting rid of the black tarnish and much more rust is coming off. It's already looking better, but we'll do another step or two to finish it off. So first I'm going to use a drill with one of those light sanding or paint removing tools. This one is a little too hard, so I used a softer one, which you can see is working better. Then after doing that for about 5 to 10 minutes, it was looking pretty good. At the end, I used WD-40, which is also good at removing rust and protecting the metal from getting worse. After wiping it off with a towel, it turned out good enough to start using it again regularly and keep it in my toolbox without spreading the rust to all my other tools. Hope this video was helpful to some of you out there. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.